As per our for the most part current Cosmos cost expectation, the worth of Cosmos will expanded by 255.11%, coming to $27.03 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing feeling is bullish, while the trepidation and insatiability record is perusing 28.46, and that implies intense apprehension. Our Cosmos figure, it's great to sort of purchase Cosmos at the present time. On September 21, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating a for the most part broad bullish opinion among Cosmos cost expectations. See the specific Cosmos cost forecast beneath. You will know the amount Cosmos is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the essentially most recent 30 days, Cosmos has expanded by 1.16%. Which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Cosmos expanded by 117.87% and came to approach around $16.28. At present, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and eagerness record shows 28.46. Sort of intense feelings of dread in an unobtrusive manner. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the perfect opportunity to purchase Cosmos essentially. Presently, Cosmos essentially is exchanging underneath the 200 basic, moving pretty normal a very large way. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Cosmos purchasing sort of sign in an especially huge manner. The cost of Cosmos basically is at present running beneath the 50-day sort of straightforward moving normal. SMA, and it by and large shows a sell especially signal incredibly. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $9.74. Toward the finish of December in an unobtrusive manner. By December 2023-2024, Cosmos' momentary 50-day SMA shows as $7.52. The general strength file, RSI, energy oscillator, is a famous marker that signals whether a digital currency in every practical sense is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is presently at Recivalu, which is genuinely huge. This demonstrates that the atom market is in a nonpartisan situation amazingly. Cosmos value expectation 2023 in the main 7-day stretch of January 2023. Cosmos came to $13.90 when it dipped under $9.32. Interestingly, since January 2021. Or so they generally thought. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Cosmos is en route to passing the $16.31 mark before the current year's over, which basically is very huge. Before $16.31, it might break its characteristic of $44.70 in reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cosmos will explicitly break its past all-time high of $44.70 and really hold somewhere in the range of $15.82 and $16.31 soon. At this point, on 21 September 2023, Cosmos is exchanging at $7.47. And its 24-hour exchanging volume certainly is around 73.45 M, and it makes number 24 money in the entire crypto world. Cosmos value expectation 2024, there generally is plausible that Cosmos can truly get through the $19.08 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Cosmos cost will be between $16.04 to $19.08. And the most probable Cosmos cost will be essentially consistent at around $18.02. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Cosmos' wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecasts that Cosmos will reach $19.08 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Or so they generally thought. Cosmos value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that Atom will begin the year at $22.02, and exchange around $27.03. As per their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with genuinely last year, or so they thought. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Cosmos Value Forecast 2026. There truly is a decent opportunity that Cosmos 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not, in a real sense, arrive at its normal most extreme $33.98 level in a significant manner. Cosmos is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $33.15 or $33.98 in 2026. And it could be the extended time of Cosmos. Cosmos Value Forecast 2027. Cosmos Value Expectation, or ATOM, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it has the kind of potential to especially accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, Cosmos' cost is supposed to generally outperform $33.98 in 2027. It has been anticipated that Cosmos will arrive at the greatest cost of $33.98, and the base cost, in a real sense, is supposed to be around $28.71 in the following a long time from 2027. Cosmos Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that Cosmos Value Forecast and Specialized Examination Cosmos is supposed to truly cross a value level of $37.34 in 2028. In the interim, Cosmos is supposed to basically arrive at the very least cost of $35.47 this year. The greatest cost may for the most part reach $40.45. Cosmos Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Cosmos Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation generally foresee that the expense of Cosmos will sort of reach $54.91, and the cost of ATOM ought to especially reach $54.91 before the year's over. Furthermore, ATOM can reach up to $50.37 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Cosmos development. Cosmos Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Cosmos Value Expectation are supposed to cross the $76.23 normal cost level, as indicated by Cosmos Estimate and Specialized Examination. Toward the finish of 2030, Cosmos' genuinely least cost is supposed to, in every practical sense, be $72.83, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Moreover, ATOM can by and large arrive at a very most extreme value level of $78.10. Toward the finish of 2030, Cosmos will have a for the most part normal cost of $78.10. Incredibly, the crypto market expects a huge cost